Turks and Caicos is a very blessed country because we were in the path of Hurricane Dorian, and we saw how Hurricane Dorian barely missed us, and we all felt a sense of relief that it missed us. But as it traveled up the chain and hit the two islands in the Bahamas, it pierced our hearts. And the scale of devastation that has happened in the Bahamas has caused the Turks and Caicos Island people to respond in a very meaningful way. Being that United Way Turks and Caicos is the closest chapter to the Bahamas, we sought to immediately launch a collection of relief efforts. And what you see here today is a 40-foot container of the efforts that we have done in order to bring relief to the people of the Bahamas. Not just on our own, but we have a significant amount of partners who has assisted us.
United Way Turks and Caicos partnered with Progress TCI to put together the shipment that set sail on Thursday morning. Key contributors to the entire relief efforts were Betty K Agency, Provost Stevie Dorian, and Adra Bahamas, among several others.
Some of the items are from our general list, but they're very meaningful items in times of storm restoration and relief. And we have lots of water, juice. We have baby supplies. We have cribs, car seats, Pampers, milk, clothing, children, men and women clothing. We have generators, chainsaws, toiletry items, sanitary items for women, shoes. It's a wide range of stuff that was collected. As my chairman said, it's a joint effort. The people of the Turks and Caicos really rose to the occasion, and they gave, and they're still giving.
Sandoz Group, the Bite Awareness Community, the Heartland Group and their employees, and countless residents across the Turks and Caicos Islands donated the much-needed items.
Like our chairman say, if it was us, we would want persons to come to our needs as well. And we can't thank enough to Betty K, who really stepped up to the plate, and once we asked, it was given. So they're doing free shipping to Nassau, Bahamas, and on the end in Nassau, Adra Bahamas, which is the Adventist Disaster Relief Agency, will be receiving these goods and distributing them throughout the community. Now, some of the goods will stay in Nassau for the evacuees from Abaco that are now in the shelters, and some of it will be going to Grand Bahama. So it will be an ongoing thing. So if you still have stuff to give, bring it on down to the United Way office, and we are finding ways to get it to the Bahamas because every little bit counts.
People can still donate funds to United Way and mark 8 designated for the Bahamas when doing so. Chairman Fulford promised that the organization will ensure the money gets to those who need it. Progress TCI has dispatched a team headed by the company's owner, William Dean, to the Bahamas to ensure that the relief items in the container get to the people who desperately need it. Dean has since sent heartfelt thanks to Inter-Caribbean Airways for providing free travel for his team.